Are you looking for how to blend your tomato paste in order to give it a beautiful taste and aroma? Yes, just take a very close look at me and what I am doing. Make sure that you have all these when you want to make that tomato. Make sure that you make use of both the green and the red bell pepper. Yes, look at it here. And then also add tomatoes to the paste, as you can see. And then when you finish, add a little water and bring them to boiling, and not so much water because some of them are going to bring out waters when cooking. So you just add a little water and bring to cooking. After cooking for like 20-15 minutes, bring it down and start blending with any type of blender you have. At this stage, add your fresh pepper. Please do not boil with your fresh pepper. Making use of the green bell pepper does not make your tomato paste to turn green at the end. Try this and thank me later.